that can be taken to help train the animal to be house trained with the fear occurrence of accidents, picking a particular spot where the owner wants the dog to eventually identify as the toilet area is something that should be done in a consistent manner. By observing when the dog is likely to need a toilet break and taking the animal immediately to the designated area until the deed is done will teach the animal the significance of the designated area. Also, lavishing praise when the deed is accomplished will further help to reinforce the idea behind taking the dog to specified area. Take the time to understand the dog is also an important part training the dog. Most dogs are not able to associate disapproval with the actual act. The relieving themselves as owner often do not catch them in the act. An owner reprimand is usually only meted out upon a discovery of the accident or mess. Therefore, the animal will eventually associate the disapproval to the mess and not the actual action of the relieving itself. It is important for the owner to establish the disapproval at the time the deed is actually done rather than after the ensure the animal understand the misdemeanor. Once this is established, both parties can work together to find a solution that would be as stress-free as possible. The owner should always remember not to be put undue pressure on the animal as it only has limited capacity of understand things. Make sure to use rewards and not punishment. Research has proven in many areas of a dog responsive behavior that rewarding the dog is far more productive and than punishing it. This is very conclusive and most dog owners now choose rewards over punishment based on the same evident results. Take a positive approach. A dog trained by using the punishment method will usually create an animal that is terrified of the owner or trainer. Dogs that respond fearfully also eventually become desanitized and in some cases choose to ignore the trainer or owner simply due to confusion. The fairness of the punishment uses. Dog trained to comply simply based on fear of punishment are a pitiful sight to see and very heartbreaking, especially for the more sensitive individual. This is bad for both the dog and the individual, who will only end up the traumatized by the training session. Most dog owners will not be able to cope with such a sight, which may even cause the dog further confusion. In contrast, however, the positive approach of rewards within the training method is usually better received, with eventual desired result forthcoming. Pets usually respond well to rewards as they will learn to associate certain behavior patterns as pleasing to the owner and therefore